Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the secrets of dropshipping and show you how to make money without any investment. Yes, you heard it right. With just a laptop and an internet connection, you can start dropshipping and make big bucks. So, let's get started. First of all, let's understand what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Dropshipping is a popular business model that has gained a lot of traction in recent years. It's an e-commerce business model where the seller doesn't keep the products they sell in stock. Instead, they purchase the products from a third-party supplier and have them shipped directly to the customer. The advantage of this business model is that you don't have to worry about inventory management, warehousing, or shipping. All of these responsibilities are taken care of by the supplier. This allows you to focus on marketing and growing your business. One of the most significant advantages of dropshipping is that it requires very little upfront investment. You don't have to purchase inventory, rent a warehouse, or hire employees. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection to get started. However, even though dropshipping is a low-risk business model, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You still need to put in the time and effort to research your niche, find reliable suppliers, create a website, and promote your products. It's also important to establish good relationships with your suppliers and provide excellent customer service to your customers. In addition, dropshipping is a highly competitive industry, so it's essential to differentiate yourself from your competitors. You can do this by offering unique products, providing exceptional customer service, and creating a strong brand that resonates with your target audience. So, how can you make money from dropshipping? Step 1. Find a profitable niche. The first step to making money from dropshipping is to find a profitable niche. You need to research and find a niche that has a high demand but low competition. You can use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and Facebook Audience Insights to find a profitable niche. Step 2. Find a reliable supplier. Once you have found a profitable niche, the next step is to find a reliable supplier. You can use platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehoot to find suppliers. Make sure to choose a supplier with a good reputation and high-quality products. Step 3. Create a website. Now, it's time to create a website. You can use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce to create your online store. Make sure to choose a theme that reflects your niche and brand. Step 4. List products and optimize your website. Once you have your website set up, it's time to list your products and optimize your website for search engines. Make sure to use high-quality product images and descriptions. You can also use tools like Google Keyword Planner and Yoast SEO to optimize your website for search engines. Step 5. Promote your website. Now, it's time to promote your website. You can use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to promote your products. You can also use paid advertising to promote your website. So, there you have it, guys. These are the steps to make money from dropshipping. It's a great way to start a business with zero investment. Just make sure to choose a profitable niche, find a reliable supplier, create a website, list products, and optimize your website, and promote your website. If you follow these steps, you can make big bucks with dropshipping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.